Hi, I'm Diane Janzen. I was asked by Creative Memories to work on October's virtual prop number 5 using the new Christmas Spirit collection. It is beautiful. I'll be demonstrating the custom cutting system circles, large and medium, using the blue and red blades to make the design on the right side of the challenge. To make the circle design that's on the right-hand side of the challenge, you will need one sheet of designer paper that has 2 different designs. I like to match my mats up with my corners just because I like to do that. Then I will take the large circle and the blue cutting blade. You'll notice I've already cut one circle out. And if you do it in the correct corners, you'll have enough for 2 pages if you want to use this design again. Very carefully go around the outside with the blue blade. If you're in doubt that it's cut all the way through, just go around one more time so that you can be sure that you have cut all the way around. Then carefully lift this off and set this aside. Now take the red blade. Again, making sure that those little pegs are in the track, and cut again all the way around. I could feel it wasn't cutting there, so we'll have to go around twice for sure. There, now you have that little strip. Take away the cutter and also the circle system. Now take and use the next circle and take with the red blade. Again, cut one more time. And you should have that loose. Now you're done with those and you're done with the circles. Then you decide which pattern you want on the inside. The one with the lines or the one with the design. Then you go opposite for this one, and again opposite for this one. And then you mount it on your paper. If you decide that you would rather have this be the center and this be the outside, and then this would be here, you can have that design as well, which you'll see I have done one or the other on my page. Here's my page almost assembled. You can see the circles, which I had a lot of fun with. We will be trimming this off to be straight when we put it into the book. And then I added my pictures, which were from Christmas 2015 and had been printed in 3x4 format, so they were ready to be put on this page. I used the silver shimmer paper and the scallop blade so that I could make this fancy edge on this paper. Then I took from the border, the Christmas Spirit laser cut borders, and used one of them to decorate my silver shimmer. Using the ever popular Gifts punch, I cut one 12-inch strip of that and divided it in 2. Then I used the Variety Mat Pack for my journaling box, and I used embellishments from Christmas Spirit along with these special things using foam squares and gems, and of course one sticker off the sticker pack. I'm very happy with how this turned out. The sketch from Challenge 5 lends itself to many variations, and I really like the idea of a horizontal line and using portrait pictures in this fashion and doing a little bit of decorating at the bottom. The Gifts decorative border punch was done with a little background so that it looks like there is a shadow. Otherwise, I did everything the same using the scallop blade to make the silver shimmer the same, and in case, of course, the decorative laser borders.